Connecting one or multiple Shopify stores to your Katana's manufacturing ERP software allows you to manage all your inventory and manufacturing processes in one easy-to-use visual platform. Stressing about missing a delivery deadline or running out of stock for your most popular products? Well, worry no more, as this integration helps you avoid the most common pitfalls through expanded visibility. Because when you have total visibility over your order fulfillment process, knowing what needs to be done next becomes exceedingly simple. Once integrated, either from inside Katana's integration page or Shopify's app page, you can begin importing sales orders from both Shopify and your point-of-sale system to Katana. Maintain a mutual sync for sales order fulfillment statuses, and sync inventory levels from Katana back to Shopify. In addition, you can also import from Shopify to Katana customers, products with variants, and initial inventory levels. Connect Shopify with Katana today and improve your manufacturing experience through a simple and comprehensive live look at your business. Huzzah!